Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam. Your voice is very slow.
My voice is very slow.
Yes, sir.
No. How can you say Mr. Faz? Sound is so
Shahid,
good.
my voice is clear, or else my voice is coming very slow.
Yes, sir. Yes, your voice is coming, but क्या है कि वो बीच में जो है ना ब्रेकिंग कर रहा.
Okay, I think some network issue. I'll leave
Yes.
and again I'll join. Okay.
Okay, but what यार चले गए. Hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम class. Please, whenever you faced voice or sound problems, please mention or say, speak loudly
Okay, sir.
in chat box. And also you can unmute themselves and say,
Assalamu alaikum. Now my voice is good.
Alaikum salam.
अब ये स्टूडेंट बताएंगे कैसा है वो.
Now you guys can able to hear my voice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Barakallah. Yeah. What happened? Everybody was coming late.
Sir, I allowed you for screen sharing. You can share your PPT on screen and start the class. There is no any issue.
Now I can able to start my class now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Wait for a second. I'll just screen my share. Screen. Okay. Yeah, now you can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Barakallah. See, yesterday we draw our room section. Okay. All are confused what we drawn. This is a section. When we construct our any room, we have to give a wall thickness and height of the building. Okay. Okay, in section we are showing whole details. See, this is our foundation. This is our ground level. In ground level we are giving some foundations. What happened? My voice is clear or not? You can able to hear my voice? If you guys could not able to hear, means it's have your problem. Shahid, you can
Yes.
able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
I I think you guys have some network issue over there. From my side, is it's okay.
Of course.
Once you check over there, okay. See, in this drawing, I'm showing a section. What is the foundation level, and what is our building height, and what is our slab thickness, and what is our parapet wall size. Okay. See here, this is our parapet wall. Whenever whenever you go with on up floor, on first floor, or else in your houses, you can able to see a balcony. Okay, the balcony wall height was this much. You think it as this is a balcony wall. uh, in AutoCAD, when we are drawing, we just give a name to this wall as parapet wall. Okay, this is slab thickness. Slab thickness was 0.15, and this is a brick wall. Brick wall size, outer wall size, how much? 0.25. Okay, this is our brick wall. Okay, and see here, this is a basement. Okay, after we providing our foundations, we will give basement. Okay, and after here we are showing foundation level 1 step 1 and foundation step 2. Okay, this is our drawing, and this is our plinth level. Plinth level means when you finish your basement, it's up to it's clean. Okay, in that you are attaching marble stone, or else you're just pouring concrete over there. This is that called as your plinth level. Okay, this is your plinth level, and this is basement. This is foundation step 1 step 2, and this is basement, slab thickness, and wall. Okay, why? Because in this wall we did not mention any kind of windows. Okay, now today the same wall I took. Okay, just I drawn over here, I'll show you. Here just tell enter vertical, we enter. Okay, this you have to take corner points. Okay, now just you have to move by selecting whole drawing. Enter, select over here. Okay, now you can able to see here the window and your platform. Okay, outside. This is not a platform, this is a sunshade. Okay, see here, I'm providing here sunshade. Now we have to show here a window. uh, Window email enter. Just will show as this lines, window opening, window indication over here, and here will show some concrete hash. You have to take here concrete here and here. Again enter. If you want to change the size, you can able to change from here. How much? 0.25. Enter. It's too big. Then we will give zero point 0.1. See, if you want to make again small, means 0.025. See, you can able to see over here, and this is your bed. Hash again, sand, Okay, nothing will happen. You took concrete the same place. Again, match. Okay. See, this is your platform. You have to mention over here name. If you want to type this one for creating your name, Sansho, Sansho. Name. Again, you have to give here name, nickname, and window. Okay, this is your window. Okay, same you have to take it as mirror. Okay, I'll remove whole thing. First, we'll draw over here. Here we have to give some concrete arc. Let's enter. Match. Okay, now you draw this one. Okay, just you have to select this one whole thing and mirror it. Mi enter. You have to select from midpoint. It came. You can able to see easily. You can able to see over here. Okay. Again, you have to give here name this side. Sill level. Okay, this is your sill level. Now you have to show here a window. You can able to see after this line whole thing you have to draw. This windows you draw and this sunshade you draw and this window and sunshade you draw. You have to draw this window. Okay, we have to take Excel and vertical line. Okay, this you have to select this line and delete it. Okay, now see what is the height from ground level. Offset 0.75. Okay, just you have to take 0.75 value. After that, how much? Window height 1.2. Okay, okay, now I am taking here flit command. If enter and enter. I sended you one PDF. In that I mentioned the thickness of D1 door and window, W1 window. Okay, you can easily you can able to check in that what is the width of this window frame. I am giving 0.05. Okay, offset, sorry, flit. Okay, if you want to take a single line or else if you want to take a double line as your wish, but I am taking here single line for easily understanding. See, now I given here 0.05. What is the half value of 0.05? That is 0.025. Okay, see, I am taking here offset and here offset. Now I am deleting, I am erasing this line, okay, which I took for center. Now I am doing trim this side and this side, okay. This is your window frame. If you want to check a dimensions, you can able to check what is the height from floor level, plinth level, okay. This is your plinth level. From plinth level we are providing 0.75 value, okay. What is the height of window? You can able to check over here. See, as per this drawing, uh, the window value is okay or not, you can able to check. See, okay. Now you have to remove this one. Easily you can able to see what is the differences between both. Okay, see here we given only walls, and we are showing only walls and slab thickness and height of our building. Now in this, inside windows are coming and walls also coming, okay. Now we have to show in wall this main door, okay. Just I am selecting whole drawing, copy, select whole drawing, okay. Now I am doing for this rotate, select whole object and rotate command, that is, okay. Whenever you are taking any kind of drawing na, you have to keep in level. Why? Because it's very easy to do work, okay. Now I am taking here, from here I am taking a value, I mean from here I am doing a cutting for section, okay. I am erasing this one, this one, this one, okay. This one also, this here select one line, I am erasing this whole, okay. Now you see Excel, enter, V enter, okay. Selecting this one, and I'm selecting this window and this window, okay. Now here I'm taking, or else to come from ground, it will easy to you. Offset foundation level was 0.6, okay. Again I'm giving 0.6. Why? Because in this section you can able to see we are providing two foundations, step 1 and step 2, okay. That's why this is step 1 and step 2, okay. What is the our building height? It's a 3 meters, okay. Now I am providing here slab level. What is our slab level? 0.15, okay. See, now I'm giving parapet wall size 0.9. See, so I'm doing here trim, TR single enter, selecting this first object and then enter second, and I'm doing trim for this all, okay. The same thing for this, selecting first object and enter, and selecting second object. See, now you have to take it in level, move, okay. Now you have to do trim. This is your parapet wall. You have to show inside slab there is no line, you have to show, okay. Here also in foundation level, and now Here I am using polyline command. I am giving foundation value was 0.05, enter again 0.6, 0.05, 0.6. Okay, again here also I am giving polyline 0.05, again 0.05, 0.6. Okay, now I am doing joint to this both. Again I am selecting for another foundation. Okay, now I am deleting this line and I am doing trim, selecting first object, then you have to do trim for second using by second enter. See. Okay, here you have to use break line. Okay, break line, enter, s enter 0.015. Break line, you have to give here size 0.025. Okay, select first corner to second corner, indication. If you it's showing too small, you have to give again. Again I am taking break line command. Okay, size I am giving here 0.05, or else size I will give zero point 0.1. Enter. See, using break line command. Okay, yesterday we did with polyline. See, here we did as polyline, but now here we are using break line. Okay, now we have to delete these lines also. What is the thickness of inner wall? Anyone can tell me? What is the thickness of inner wall? 0.15. So we are giving the parapet wall size was 0.15. Again you have to select this trim and do it here. Okay. See, now we give now we draw this shape. Okay, now we have to draw a window. What is ground level? Just now I saw you that is 0.75 value from plinth level. Okay, afterwards we have to take 1.5 the height of window frame. Okay, F enter, M enter. Okay, now what is the thickness of window frame? 0.05. Okay, now you have to take here multi-line. Last time I show you by using line command. Now I am showing here multi-line. What is the thickness of window frame? It's a 0.05. Okay, enter. See, it came already. You have to explode it. Okay, this is your window. Now you see here some door cutting is coming. Okay, here also one window was cutting. Okay, now I am taking the value from here. Point 0.75. Okay, offset 1.2. Sorry, offset 1.2. I am showing here window. multi-line. See, now you have to see what is the size from floor level. It's a 0.15. Okay, what is our door height? Anyone can see and tell me in a schedule? That is 1.95. You have to remember whole thing. Now I am showing here door opening. Okay, see, this is our door opening, this is our window opening. Now here you have to show uh, one sunshade. Okay, how you have to show? I'll give value 0.25 from here. Now 0.05 from down. Okay, or else you can able to take zero point 0.1. Okay, now what is the sunshade length? That is 0.65. From here I am taking offset. I am making. Okay, now here I am taking some circle. Why? Because we have to show a slope, na? That's why. Okay, from here I am connecting. Okay, for this we have to create one arc from here to here. See, now in this you have to show whole hash. Now hashing command, by using hash command shortcut key was hash enter. Okay, see, this is concrete we are showing here. Okay, now we have to reduce the size of concrete. Zero point 0.5 or else 0.1. Okay, if you can't able to see means you can able to reduce point. Afterwards you can able to see. Again you have to do hash. Okay, 0.05. Okay, if you selected one time means when you selected this object, say at the same time this object also will selected. If you select separate means this is separate slab. Okay, you can able to select only one object. Okay, when you're selecting you have to be careful. Okay, now we have to show here wall, uh, brick wall. Okay, brick wall, we'll do hash. We'll select these lines for brick wall indication. Okay, this size is too much big. For this we will reduce 0.05. It's too much. 0.5. Okay, or else we will give 0.25. Okay, you can able to see what is the difference between this wall and this wall. Okay, again you have to make hash. Just we have to match the same value. Okay, okay, now here we have to show a concrete. This you have to match. Okay, if if you want to reduce from here 0.015, see, okay, see the difference between this concrete and this concrete, you can able to make, okay. Now I given here, uh, I draw this value, na? I draw this section, okay. Now I am giving a what is the height of building I took, okay. Inside I took 3 meters. Outside we have to show a slab thickness, okay. Now we have to show parapet wall thickness, okay. If you want to show the window from plinth level means you can able to show, see, from ground level we are raising this much height for window, okay. For this also you have to provide the value, okay. Now yesterday I sent this drawing, na? I will send today this drawing and including this drawing, okay. In this drawing you have to mention a text. I won't mention, okay. Why? Because here I already put some text. You have to just see and write it over here, okay. This is your homework. I will send today this one and this one, okay. In this you have to add a text to see the drawing and uh, make write it over here in this section, okay. Why? Because our class timing also coming up. Now in today's class you guys have any kind of doubts? If you have, we have 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes I can able to clear your doubts.
सर
अगर आपको कुछ, जी बोलिए.
ये विंडो के ऊपर राइट साइड
ये वाला
व्हाट इज दैट डायग्राम सर?
for this,
यस सर, यस सर.
this is a sunshade. मतलब ये आप देख सकते हैं खिड़की के बाहर हम एक सज्जा लगाते हैं. मतलब अगर आपका अभी रेनी सीजन में विंडो अगर ऐसी है तो रेन आपका पूरा वाटर पूरा आपका अंदर आ जाता, तो उसको रोकने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, बाहर एक सनशेड यानी एक सज्जा देते हैं बाहर. उसके सपोर्ट से क्या है, विंडो के थ्रू अंदर पानी नहीं आता हमारे पास. और इसका एक बेनिफिट भी क्या है, अगर आपका मतलब सन की लाइट ज़्यादा मार रही है यानी उसकी रोशनी बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही, तो इसके थ्रू कंट्रोल कर ले सकते हैं, ठीक है. इसलिए इसका बेनिफिट ये है, इसको कहते हैं सनशेड.
ओके सर, थैंक
Okay. Now, anyone else? You have any kind of doubts related to today's class? Abdul Basit, Abdul Qayyum Faiz, Aisha Siddiqa, and Sayyid Naimuddin Saab, and our Muhammad Furqan. You guys have any kind of doubts? You can able to ask me. Yeah, Furqan. Yeah, Faiz, ask me. Okay. Now we will finish our class. This is your homework. Kindly submit your assignment. If you won't submit, I could not able to catch how many members are practicing or not. Okay. If you guys have exams, means at least you have to give a time for this class also. First you prepare your exams, after that you have to do this one, but up till our course will finish you could not able to get a certificate. If you want to get, if you want certificate, you have to submit your notes and assignments also. Okay, how much you are improving your drawing, how much you are remembering your shortcut key commands. Okay, at least you have you guys can able to send your notes, means as per that we can able to give marks and as per your marks we can able to provide you a certificate. Okay, after that this course will finish now. In finally we will give some online test. Okay, in that test if you will pass then only we can able to give you a certificate. Okay, up till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will meet tomorrow at same time in this class.
Okay, class. Then we will meet tomorrow at this time, same time. Thank you, everybody.